Did you know a simple sneeze transforms your face into a high-speed biological cannon? When your nasal passages detect an invader, your body violently ejects air at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah sprinting. Furthermore, a single sneeze expels over 100,000 microscopic droplets into the surrounding air, creating an invisible cloud of DNA and bacteria. Your immune system does not play around when defending you. Shield your health. Smash the like button and subscribe for more amazing wellness facts.